Hello there guys, welcome to my new channel and welcome to my first video, which is how to install Microsoft Windows XP. Now, I'll be installing this on a virtual machine because I don't really need Windows XP. I have Windows 8.1. I'll be booting this off an ISO. You probably have a CD or something. If you have an ISO, that is okay. So first thing what we have to do is, of course, make a new VirtualBox thing. Yeah, we'll just write Windows XP. Now I'll write 2 because I already made a Windows XP, which is here, which is old. Now RAM. I will set this to 512 because this is a virtual machine and there's no point of making it higher or lower. If you really want to install Windows XP on your computer, make sure you don't have 512 RAM because that is just too low for doing anything. Well, if you're just surfing the web and doing the documents and stuff, you can have it, but like I would recommend it. Now, virtual hard drive. We have to create one. Now, I'll create a Powerose hard disk HDD because it's compatible with nearly every virtual machine there is out there. So yeah, I recommend this one. Now, the size of this, I'll make it 5 gigs. Yeah, 5 gigs. Of course, if you're really installing it, I would recommend you have like 20 or over for Windows XP. Or 20 is not too much, but yeah, just for Windows XP, that's it. So now we have this. So we actually launch this, and I'll just make the camera better for you. Okay, I hope you see better now. So we have this information that the auto capture keyboard option. It's basically just so you know that you have the keyboard and mouse inside of a virtual machine. So we'll just click OK. There it is. So now it's asking us for the boot device. So if you have a CD, you would actually go to your CD drive, but like I don't have it, so I'll actually go to my desktop and I'll find Windows XP Professional, which is right here, and start it. So now, as you can see, this closed and it launched again. I'll just switch it for you again. Yeah, sorry for that. I don't know what's going on with the camera, but yeah. So there we go. It says capture inside the mouse. Now the shop is loading files. This is normal, of course. I think everyone's used to it. If you were even a kid in 2001, used to install your Windows XP on your old Windows 2000 computer. I remember these days. So now it says setup is starting Windows. So now we have to wait. There we go. So it says to set up Windows now, press enter. That's what we want, so you press enter. Now it says all of this user agreement, blah blah blah. You can do page down to actually go other pages, and just click press F8 when you agree. Now you'll see here an unpartitioned space. Now if you really want to install XP, you would actually have to create a partition. Well, yeah, you would have to create it, but here this is just a virtual machine, so I'm not gonna create a partition. This is just 5 gigs. So yeah, here you have some format options. I'm gonna do format NTFS, but quick, because if you have an old Windows and you already had files on there, I would recommend you do the quick option because the long option takes long, as you may know. So now it's loading the files, so we'll just have to wait. There it is. Now I don't think you really want to wait so long, so I'll just pause this and I'll see you back when it's done. So yeah guys, I'm back here and it's nearly done. Yeah, here. So it should say restarting in a second. Yeah, here. So just press enter. Oh, sorry. It didn't work because, of course, the capture thing. Now, it goes back to setup. And there's no problem for virtual machine users, especially those ones that I'm using, because we have not selected the right option at the beginning. I'll just show you how to select the right option so it boots straight to the Windows. So, I told you that I would actually show you how to do it, but the thing is not installed yet, so we'll just have to wait and I'll show you later. But how to avoid this now is simply to press F3 to quit, hit, and then press F3 again. And now, when it reboots, press F12, or F2 or F1 or delete, wherever your computer is. Now it says here, offer boot devices, and it usually boots up from the CD-ROM. So we want to actually make it boot up from the hard drive. So if you're using a normal computer and not a virtual machine, it should actually save the name of your hard drive. But here it just says primary master, so we will select that. Primary master number 1. So now as you can see, Windows XP has loaded up. So it's finishing off the well, not actually finishing off, like now it's installing the Windows, because before it just copied the files. So I don't think you want to see this either, so I'll just skip this, and when it's done, I'll be back. Yeah, guys, so it's not finished yet, but it'll probably ask you for regional and language options. You basically have to select, the country you're in and blah blah blah. Yeah, everything's okay here. I'll just change this to English United Kingdom, because I'm in the United Kingdom actually. So English United Kingdom. Okay, here we go. Location UK. Okay, here we are. Next. Now your name and organization. But I'll just type in my name for now. You don't really have to type in your organization, but because this is a Windows XP Professional, not Home Edition, I'll ask you, because it's like professional for professions. So yeah, I'll just write my name, short name. Now it asks you for a product key. Now I have a product key somewhere. Of course, you need to enter it, but for now I'll just press next, and I'll enter it later, because there's no point. I mean, there's a point, but like if you're in a hurry, you don't really do that. So PCRX PC, I guess. I'm not making a password here. So yeah, Monday 15th July. I'm gonna make this GMT. Yeah, and it continues installing. So I'll see you guys in the next part of how to install Windows XP. Peace, bye.